What's up, you degenerates? Scott Barnes here. And you know what? We're going to go a little bit different in the direction with Brandon O'Brien. Now, first, I always like asking you guys a question, and I want to know if you guys have a 13. No, we already did 12 and 13 against a 3, but I want to know about 8s. A pair of 8s against a 9. Do we double or do we split? Or do you hit? With that being said, you guys, go over to Brandon O'Brien. Oh my God, I can't talk today. Give him a like, a subscribe. Let's hop into you guys like always, and let's have some fun.
Welcome back to the Divina. I'm Brandon, and we have 1,100 in $100 black chips. I think that's 11. It might be 12. Oh, we have 1,200. 1,200. Okay, and we're gonna break it down here. Let's get 300 in green and 100 in red for the side bet. That's the dream pairs. We are dreaming of the same suit of aces to come up.
Now, I told you guys in about 10 to 8 months or so, I'm going to try to get to Vegas.
25 to 1 if it's the same suit, 10 to 1 if it's the same color.
I pretty much want to do what Brandon O'Brien is doing right now. I want to go in with $1,000 and see what I can do with that.
I don't know. Andrew's our dealer, by the way.
Once I hit 2,000, anything,
eight
I'm going to stop. And if I can go on the right, I will.
Shuffler. We're going to be a little aggressive here. We're just going to throw 100 there and 25 on the side bet. First hand pair. We tried. 15. Nice. Okay. It's going to be one of those.
By the way, I love the comments with all casino action and Mr. Handpay. That was a great video, you guys, and I wanted to say thank you from the bottom of my heart. These videos are killing it, and I couldn't say thank you more, so I appreciate it and love hanging out with you guys.
Go.
And I really enjoy the comments.
Oh, can you count it for me?
Yeah.
325. Good morning. All right, 650 and one card. Come on, do it. That's okay. It's good. 17.
13.
10.
19.
Wow.
We tried.
You had to.
We tried. We'll get them here.
Always double your 11s.
Most of that was profit.
Yes.
All right, let's get an 8 here.
6, 7, 8.
What did I say?
Winner every time. All right, we'll
6,
stack
7,
it up to 150. 10 on the cider.
Straight to 21.
A couple of 10s and we're good.
15.
Hit that.
No.
I don't know if it's the
again.
cards, but the way the dealer handles them,
75.
it seems very sloppy. I could be wrong. What do you guys think? It's like he's
5 to 1 there. We're
It's
going
like
to double
he's picking him
down
up with his 2 fingers.
for 75. Can I have some green, please? One card. Thank you. One card. There it is. 21's a win.
He seems like a veteran dealer. I think he just has his own grip. It just is weird. I haven't seen that style of pull before. See how he picks him up and he bends them with his finger? It's very interesting.
13.
Also, that last video too. Sorry guys, I'm like a little chatty Cathy. But they had an automatic
19's good.
dealing machine. Meaning that every card that was pulled out is at random. I don't know about that. I don't know.
100 here.
Handpay went on a run.
Yeah.
25 to 1, 250. And we're going to be doing the split skis here.
The split skis.
All right. Bam.
Leading 6.
Dangerous against a deuce.
Ooh,
Stay.
That might.
Double.
It's peaking bad. I'm going to bring it down just a bit.
1.
Hard to lose that one.
Skiing to me.
Nice. All right. So we've shaken off that double down already that we lost earlier.
It's blown out. I'm going to try to get the levels right,
Stay
you guys.
there.
It's not mine. It's his.
14, 16, 17.
That's a tough way to lose. 10 here.
Oh, the trips.
19's good. Yeah. All right, we'll do a big bet. We'll do 200 and we'll do 10 on the pair. That's why we do it. We want the doubles.
Yeah. Let's get some action going on.
Up and to the left.
House
3 scared me there.
We like it.
That was a big swing. That was a big swing right there.
20,
Here we go.
17,
We'll double it up.
16,
We'll stay there.
18,
Hey, you still got time to jump on our group cruise on August 17th on the MSC Seascape. Come play craps, learn craps. Our craps expert will be on board. I will be there. All the folks from your comp will be hanging out.
Go on the
And,
cruise, guys.
The link is in the description if you want to join us.
Go over to Mr.
We have,
Mr.
I think there's like 40
Go over to
cabins
Brandon
booked
O'Brien's
already.
channel, man. Check it
Yeah,
out.
So it's gonna be pretty big.
This is a relatively new video. I think this is about
We don't
maybe
know
8
if
days
Andrew's
old.
going to be there, our dealer. You got it again?
yeah.
All right, so there's only one move now. It's 300 and then 15 on the pair, and I think we're somewhere around even right now.
All right, let's get a 6.
I'll take one.
16,
Thought about surrendering, you know that, right? Yeah. So we have 700 left. We're gonna need 200 in green.
He would have.
I think need some red too if you can.
I don't know. You gotta hit it.
Thank you.
Eleven,
Double.
house,
Guaranteed ace.
10.
2,
Guaranteed ace on the 11. Happens all the time.
Doesn't it though? Ooh.
Show me the 20.
Man, he had the exact same hand
Nope.
about 7 hands ago.
Wow. Okay. This is the new Andrew, everyone. It's not. This is the new Andrew. It's the 2024 version.
18, stay, 20.
All right. So we go 200 and we go 25 here and we hit a pair of 10s. That's all right. We'll take the win. We'll take the win.
20.
Jeez.
Ooh.
I lost count after the second ace, honestly. All right, we'll go back. We want to profit this session, so yeah, there we go. Good there.
11, 13, 20.
Nice. Double it up. 10 on the pair.
There's a band going on in the back. I apologize, guys, if it's crazy. It's loud. It's so loud in my ear.
All right, here's a aggressive bet here with 25 on the pair. 99. Okay. Don't have it. First don't have it. Okay, now a 9.
13,
Okay. I'm gonna go 300. Getting very aggressive here. Maybe you have a 4 under there.
Oh,
And now a 10. Oh, okay.
scary.
almost golden.
Wow.
Scary.
Wow, dude.
My kind of guy.
Every now and then.
My kind of
get
guy.
lucky.
Blackjack. Ah.
12.
16,
16.
All right, we'll go 100 here. 10 on the pair.
You gotta do it, man. All right, let's
So
get
32.
32,
Yeah,
Nice.
21,
go 200, and we'll do 25 on the pair.
I hate that 13. I really do.
6,
And a 4.
13, 14, 18,
300.
It's like twice I've heard him say 18, but I think he said 13.
15,
We're down to the felts. And can you, when I win this hand, can you just pay me in some green? No. Oh no! I was like, what are you doing? I'm gonna hit.
That was so sneaky. That was
Okay,
so
I've
sneaky.
got 500 more, and we're gonna get some greens here.
Oh my God, the dealer did him bad.
So we're in for 1500.
Oh my God. Oh
Hi.
my God.
Hi.
100.
I don't look
That
happy?
was so. I
Or is it
felt.
just 'cause
I
my
don't know
face
about you
is
guys,
red?
but I felt the same exact way.
Oh,
I was like, "Whoa, dude, he's
No,
gonna
it's-
hit." I know he was getting a little
take me to
cocky.
the cleanest.
Oh my God, that was so funny,
You know what the
guys.
cleanest
That
does?
was
They clean
so
you
fun.
out.
17.
Taking me to the cleanest. Shout out to the X-Man from Cape Town, South Africa. Hey, I got one.
900. 150.
And thank you for whoever told me about the 5 to 6 on the bet for blackjack. So obviously it's 3 to 2 in most casinos, but some do 5 to 6. So thank you, and thank you
One
for
more
that.
side bet after
I'm
this.
learning, guys.
Unless I hit it.
18.
There's so many different types of blackjack that casinos offer. So
Okay, 150 is good. I'm just tempted now, since it's my last side bet, to go 300, 10 on the side. Need this one though. Yes.
17.
All right, good. Why can't I get those cards?
I know, right? That's how we wanted to go, but it
Guys,
never
we're not
happens.
using a continuous shuffler here either. This is
See?
8 texture.
See?
5. 15.
Yeah,
21.
I got one.
Stay. 17.
All right. I'm gonna keep adding one and then put one on the side bet. We have some ground to make up, so
A lot of ground.
10.
and a 10.
13.
10. Oh my gosh.
Come on, we need the pair. Yep.
Too many.
All right. Try this again. One there, one there.
Nice.
100 pays 150, unless the dealer also has it.
Don't you be sniggy.
150.
All right, 125 and then 25 there.
Oh, he's going heavy on those side bets.
No insurance.
15.
I
6.
need 6. No insurance. Yes. All right, we have one play left.
So weird how he picks up those cards.
150
So
with
weird.
25 on the cider.
Have you guys seen anybody
All
else do
in,
that?
which
It's the
means get
first
blackjack.
dealer I see pick him up like that. It's so weird pinching
Can't
him.
double, so that's it.
18.
Go. 17.
I'm so OCD, I can see where they're bent a little bit.
$200 on the bet, 25 on the cider, double deuce. Come on, bust one time, Andrew.
One time.
God, that too. Every
Hey, that's
time.
tough
I want
one.
to see
We'll
what
go
the
one
next
more.
card is. He would have had
We'll
a
do 50
4,
here. So we're down to our last
6,
$25.
16. That's what I'm talking about, man. It's that
I'm
flipping
gonna take
2.
one.
That flipping 2.
All right, we'll try again tomorrow. Thanks for being here. Appreciate you.
Whoa, poor Brandon O'Brien got his butt handed to him. And that's what I feel like is going to happen to me. But I'm not going to be an all casino action type attitude. We're going to have positive attitudes like Mr. Handpay. Because that's how I believe he wins, is for that positive attitude. With that, seeing you guys, go over to Brandon O'Brien's channel. Give him a like, subscribe. Let him know I brought you over there. Because that's what I want to do. Bring awareness. It was a shorter session. But hey, this is more realistic than, betting Aiden Ross and Cody from Exposed with their $30,000 bets. All right, guys. Love you. See you on the flip side. See ya.